Hey everybody, this is Chris from Hubbard's. I got the assembly manual and our shop manual here today for 1963. We have them for every year, just decided to go with 63 since it's more popular than a lot of the other years. They're about 20 bucks. They're worth it. They basically break down in exploded diagrams of everything. Here's an example of your body mounts and your bushings, your washers, everything, how to put it together on the actual mount. Got another example for you here. We get a lot of questions about how to run your fuel line. So this will show you exactly how it runs, where the clips go and everything in your assembly manual. Then we have the shop manual. It has a lot more detail, explains a lot more, tells you what kind of tools you'll need to do whatever job you're working on. They both cover bumper to bumper, just kind of got some differences. This will show you how to hook up your wiring and everything as well. They're $20. The shop manual's part number will be 63SM. Same thing for every year, just change the year on it. Same thing with the assembly manual, 63AM. So if you want to check them out, go over to www.impalaparts.com or give us a call and we'd be more than happy to hook you up.